Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I thought Alfred and I would make some holiday homemade dog treats for you. These are pretty easy and everything in there is really good for the dogs. I don't normally feed them dog treats. I give them blueberries, but I thought it'd be fun to do for the holidays. So I diced and peeled the sweet potato and now I'm going to boil it so that I am able to mash it up. So you're gonna need a fourth a cup of mashed sweet potatoes. So behind me I have sweet potato boiling. I peeled and diced it. And then you're going to need peanut butter. Just make sure that it doesn't have artificial sweetener in it. So this is just roasted peanuts for the ingredients. The recipe I'm using called for flour, but I'm using buckwheat flour. It's healthier for the dogs. And then 2 eggs. Okay, so you're just going to mash up the sweet potato like if you were making mashed potatoes. So it should look like this. And all of your ingredients, so this is the buckwheat flour that I am using. So you're gonna add 2.5 cups of this. One-fourth of the mashed sweet potatoes, 1/4 of a cup. So it will look like that. Two eggs. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of your peanut butter. Just remember to not use peanut butter with artificial sweetener. And then you just mix it up. So if you're mixing it and it gets really dry, just add a little bit of water, as much as needed. You want it to be a pretty dry consistency, but enough to still hold together. Okay, so then you're going to flatten it out. You can also use a rolling pin if you'd like. I want this to be about a 1/2 inch thick. You could add a little flour to your rolling pin so that it doesn't stick. Okay, and then take your cookie cutter. This is the one that I'm using. It's the shape of a dog. So you're not gonna get as many cookies if you use a bigger cookie cutter, but that's just what we have. I don't know how you can tell that I'm making dog treats, Alfred, but he's been sitting here watching. Okay, so this is what they look like. Hopefully you can see this. And then you just throw them in the oven at 350, and then I need to double check the time, so I'll let you know. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see in there, but they're like rising, which is kind of interesting. Oh, what? What do you think's in there for you, huh? Something yummy? Get out of here. Anyway, they smell really good. Okay, while the doggy treats cook, let's show them your cute bandana. Show it off, Archie. You're really kind of facing the wrong way. What's out this window that you're looking for, huh? We got him this cute bandana from the farmer's market. Alfred is getting very jealous. Oh my goodness, okay. Okay, so the cookies have been in there for 40 minutes, and it looks like they are done. So I just took them out of the oven, and this is what they are looking like. They honestly kind of smell like eggs, but they're pretty crispy and not stuck to the bottom. But definitely let these cool before you take them off.
Anyone interested?
Careful, it might be hot. Hey, get out of there. This is not how you guys normally get your treats. He's like, oh, that looks good, Mom.
Yeah,
I'm sitting like a good boy.
I'm ready.
Okay, are we gonna do the taste test now? Are they hot?
No, this time.
Just gonna break it up.
They're gonna be a little crunchy.
They're supposed to be crunchy.
I think they are crunchy.
Oh, okay. Do you want to try one? Oh, what does it taste like? Okay, taste test. Everyone sit.
It honestly doesn't taste bad. It just tastes like nothing.
Do you like it, Arch? What do you think?
Dry and flavorless.
What about you? You're already chomping yours down. Typical. Archie's still trying to figure out how to pick it up.
Honestly, with a little frosting, it wouldn't be that bad.
You don't get to take your brother's. It's the same thing.
Mine's a little burnt.
Okay, so I am packaging them in this tin. We're gonna bring some to their cousin, but somebody keeps trying to jump on the counter to get more. They must have liked them. Was it good? Took you a while to eat yours, but that's typical. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions on the recipe, please leave it in the comments below. Or if you've done any other dog treat recipes, what are you doing? Leave them in the comments below for other people. Alfred really liked the treats, and I think Archie liked it once he figured out how to eat it. Archie's kind of a finicky eater, but this guy will eat literally anything. But okay, thank you for watching. Say bye, Alfred.